Napakaslang naman ng batang to. Okay, napakatalino po ng mga bata natin ngayon dito. Okay, we have, what's your score?
22.
22, yan, nakalimutan ko na. We have 22, make it 23, so you will be tried. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this one.
Hey!
What did she do? Okay, what you need to do is to get Ashley a happy birthday. Okay?
Happy birthday, Ashley!
A doctor also! Clap your hands for Natalie. Natalie, who's with you here? Mommy or daddy?
Tita.
Tita. What you wanna say to your tita? Nothing po. Tita, nothing. Okay, Natalie, we have, ano pong score na? Pasensya na may sakot sa kalimot. We have 28, the highest. Oh, very smart girl. We have 28, okay? Now you have to beat 28, okay? Do you know what you want, do you know what to do? To greet Ashley and happy birthday, okay? For this one, and ready to go.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday, Ashley.
Happy birthday, Ashley!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. 13! Okay, thank you so much. And Miguel, how old are you?
9.
9. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Mga Chinese eh, no? Okay, what you want to be when you grow up?
Doctor.
A doctor! Ang mamahal ng mga course. Okay, now you have still 28, okay? You have to beat the 28. For this one, and 1, 2, and go!
Happy birthday, Ashley!
Panalo ka na. Alright, we have the winner! None other than Miguel. Ayan, sinunod na ako. Okay, Miguel, we have prize for you. What you wanna say for your prize?
Thank you.
Oh, who will say thank you? Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you, Ashley.
Ashley, come Okay.
A lion.
A lion! Yes. Only one. Okay, lion. Ano ba ito?
Table.
Table! Nagdadala siya ng table. Pwede naman. Okay. 5. What is the things are needed in the school?
Paper.
Paper. And you want to... Huh?
Watermelon.
Watermelon! Okay, ma-fruits pa na si Kuya. Kuya, what are the food you're bringing in the school?
Oreo.
Oreo, and you... Heroes in the Philippines. What?
Superhero.
Superheroes! Ang galing pala ni Kuya superheroes. Okay, can you come here? Okay, mamaya natin yung superheroes mo. Muna hindi sinagot sa akin si
Siomay, siopaw.
It's cool. It's Leo. That's what... It's guess now.
What will you say? What will you say, guys?
Look at this! Hey, look at this! My old daddy, look!
Oh, let's go.